Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
We're finally able to order a new carburetor for our Scout.
So we're going to be unboxing it for you now.
Okay, so here we have our carburetor. Brand new Holly 1904 from Dayton Parts. We ordered it from Champion Carburetor. It came super quick too, so here's an air cleaner mount. We got to get a new air cleaner too. Bunch of little parts in here too. Let's put those down for now. Some more parts. We got a lot of parts in here. Looks like air filter or a fuel filter and hoses, a couple of hoses, some arms for the carburetor, gaskets. Then here's our carburetor here. Looks real nice compared to what we have on there. We'll have to do a side-by-side comparison. Look at that. Wow. That looks real good. Look at that. Brand new. So it's Dayton Parts Company, Industria, Argentina. We know it's we know it's a Dayton Parts carburetor. Single barrel. Real good. So we had to order a new air cleaner too. I don't think the stock one's gonna fit, but we got this one here from the same place, from Champion Carburetor. You know, this is the adapter, and this slides right on there. We'll see how it works. We'll leave that aside for now. Like I said, we'll have to do a side-by-side comparison to match up the Holly that we have on there now with this one.
As you can see, we have the two carburetors side by side, and this is the old carburetor and this is the new one.
If you remember from before, in the old carburetor, we did have some leaking happening in the throttle shaft over here.
Yeah, so like Isabel said, it was leaking from the throttle shaft over here. And then also, you know, we have a crack on top, and we did have a rebuilt, you know, a few years ago, but it just wasn't working right, and we thought we invested in a new one. We have a little side-by-side comparison. We might have to look in the closer to check out how things match up, but I mean, in me looking at this right now, it seems that they match pretty well. Just an upgraded version over here with the new one. But we'll let you know how it goes, and we'll probably video us putting it on there and checking things out. But as you can see, a big improvement.
Here's a manual of the Daytona Universal Carburetor.
Hello everybody. Yeah, we're looking at the carburetors closer here. You know, we're checking out the position of the throttle arm and the choke arms. We can see, you know, the old ones here on the left side and the new ones on the right. We can see that you know, the choke cable came off the firewall into here and, you know, operated up to here. So this is similar, but this piece is kind of opposite. So I'm probably going to take this arm off here and relocate it on here, and then see if we can, you know, grab the choke cable through this way. So I think that should work. So maybe we could, you know, match up a few of the old pieces with the new ones. I really don't want to remove this, you know, because it looks pretty tight in there. So I want to move that, or we don't want to remove that. And then if we look at the throttle arm here, it's, you know, this one is set up over here on this side. You know, we'll probably have to spin this because it's on the opposite side. So we'll probably have to spin this arm here onto the other side just to get it to match up closely. So I mean, I think overall it doesn't look too hard to do. So stay tuned till next time.
Don't forget to like.
Comment.
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.